Hi guys, my name is Adriana. Today I'm coming with Fashionnova haul and I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. So the very first outfit I'm actually wearing right now, it is this white off-shoulder shirt which has a double layer in here, so it's not see-through at all, which I really like. It's slightly see-through on the back so you can see my bra. It's very stretchy, however it could be a little bit more stretchier in the arm area, because I kind of feel that it's slightly too tight. And then the other thing that I have are those pants, which I really like. They really make my body look taller and they make me look a little bit slimmer. They have this little bow that you can adjust by yourself. The only thing that I'm not really happy about, and I don't know how come I did not see it when I was picking them, is that they have a zip on the back. And it's not really a good quality zip, so I'm not really sure they will like break in one point and I'll be showing my butt to everyone. But other than that, I really like this whole outfit. Next is this blue wrapped shirt. It has open back, which I really like. It's very loose in here, which I think is really nice as well. Material is slightly thick, so I feel like I will be sweating in it during the summer, but I think it's really cute. I really like the color. I don't know, let me know what you think about this. I think it's really cute. Okay, next is this blush top. It's actually slightly cropped. It has poofy shoulders, which I think are really flattering on me. I'm kind of blending with this color, but other than that, I think it looks really cute. It's very girly, and yeah, I think it's really cute. And like, material is definitely not stretchy. I mean, it does stretch a little bit, but I don't actually know what material is this. But I know it's not really stretchy. I mean, it stretches a little bit, but nothing really extra. I don't know, I really like those shoulders. I think they're really cute. Next we have this bodysuit. It is really stretchy. Let me start with that. The sleeves are really long as well, as you can see. I love the color. I really love the color. It's this like nude-ish. Yeah, I think it kind of looks white on the camera, but it's more of a nude-ish, like coffee with milk color. I really like it. I think it looks really good on me. It shapes my body really well, and this color, I think it's just gorgeous. And the final piece is this top. It has slightly balloon sleeves in here. It has small ruffle going down in here. It like snatches your stomach really well. It is really stretchy, which is really good, especially when you get the foot baby. The color is slightly yellowish nude, I would say. And yeah, I think it's really flattering on me. It looks really nice. So that would be it for this video. I hope you liked it. So please click the subscribe button down below and hit a like as well if you liked it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!